We may not have the perfect product or the perfect gadget or that beautiful background to make our video outstanding, but our ability to stay consistent, show up, and put out our content then makes us unique in our own way. Hi, you guys. Let me take you through on how I do this makeup. So yeah, this is a simple makeup tutorial. Yeah, one thing about my makeup tutorial is that it's very simple. It's beginner friendly because I work with beginners. So let's do this makeup and let's see the end result. So watch the video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and on the notification button so anytime my video comes up, you'll be notified. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you all. Welcome to the community.